We've all wanted a prop at one time or another in our dance, whether that be a cane, a chair, or a fan. Though these items can bring nice touches to our pieces and to our choreography, it takes a skilled choreographer to understand how to make a prop truly tell a vital part of our story. As a part of our work today in our masterclass series, we'll be looking at Unity LA's Piece by Piece by Kelly Clarkson in order to see the right way to use props in dance, right here on Choreo Corner. Props in dance are physical objects. Props can be used for their literal purposes, of course. The work utilizes a door to show the entering and the exiting of the man and the woman's life. Their interactions range from yelling through the door, slamming the door, and finally, definitively reclaiming power through closing the door. However, the point of a prop is to also give context to the inner thoughts of those who use it. The first rule of using props in dance is they are always treated like a dancer. They have mass, they have shape, they have shine or matte finish to them as well. Like in the words of Pocahontas, each prop has a life, has a spirit, and has a name. Those factors manifest when the dancer interacts with them. The door in Unity LA and in their piece is pushed, slammed, climbed, and moved. It's even brought off the ground and placed horizontally with the woman on top of it. We see into her struggle, her denial, her acceptance, and even closure all manifested through the door. For example, as we already established, she laid on the closed door in the middle of the work. This level placement is repeated twice, when she walks on his calf and at the end when she stands on his back. Her relationship with the door provides us a space to see her meditations, while the relationship with the man provides us a space to see how she literally responds to him. Piece by Piece also utilizes the location of the door on stage to manifest inner context. When the woman is on the door and its frame shows her triumphant moments. When she's pushing the door to the edge of the stage, she is hoping to remove this trial from her load, from her space. Thanks to many dance and general art theoreticians that came before us, it is easy for us to accept how costuming denotes character. The man and woman in colors represent people, and the dancers wearing white represent the inner empowerment the woman is gaining throughout the vignettes. They are not anywhere to be found at the beginning. However, once the man has left, they begin to appear and interact. At first, they are sustaining and holding her. As the piece progresses, she confronts him as the dancers in white move around her and with her instead of for her. As she obtains control mentally, she obtains that control physically. One of the most intimate moments choreographically happens as the man storms through the door. All dancers in white are on the side of the door for that brief moment except for one woman. When all seems to be lost, there is the last glimmer of hope that holds firm and guides us back no matter how far our path we stray. This particular work showcases the power of layers to hide the transitions in your piece. In so many dances, we see formations change with people walking and doing a simple arm movement or a chassé leap combo cliche. This signaling becomes monotonous to the audience very quickly. An audience wants to be surprised by your transition, and the way to do that is to use a transition to cover another transition. Specifically, at this time, a quick transition is made by splitting half the group into a leap, hop, gallop combo with an arm arc and carve layer, while a duet lifts the woman on stage left. Then that same group breaks again, and two dancers stay in the back group in performing more axial movement. This layering is complete as the stage right duet partners join that axial movement late, making a wave effect. They then move in a curved pathway to the back of the stage to juxtapose the door's movement. However, a strong work constantly finds opportunities to create metaphorical meaning with the prop that provides context into the character's inner thoughts. The door's placement on the stage will always give an indication of how much space that woman is investing in that man. At the beginning of the piece, the door is in the center, meaning she is giving the man her full attention. As the work progresses, the door is placed on the edges of the stage, giving the man little room. The door moves from the side of the stage to the back of the stage. Let us know in the comments below your thoughts about the piece. What did you learn from watching this dance? Make sure that you also check our blog, the Choreo Playbook, where we will be providing hundreds of formations, dance theme ideas, transitions, and anything else that will help you prepare for your next big break. Thank you for watching.